Hi guys, not going to spend a long time doing a tear down on this one because we've taken it apart a couple of times already. Just to say that it does look like we've killed the motor this time. I thought I'd probably burnt out one of the ESCs I've been using, but they're fine. It is actually the motor itself that has died. Well, I say died, it hasn't died completely. It's that sort of intermittent where there's probably one of the coils has burnt out. So if you give it a flick, it starts running, but it's only on about sort of half power, if that. So, I'm going to have to do a search, see if I can find another motor. It'd be a bit difficult to fit a bigger one in there. I have to cut out the bodywork where the battery compartment is if we want it to go back any further. You can't put a wider motor in. So I'll just have to have a look, see if I can find a replacement.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.